My name is Tina Gianquitto, and I'm working with the Seed Box on a project called Herbaria 3, What is Your Plant Story? It's mostly a web platform for people to share their stories about plants. It can be any kind of story you want to tell. It can be a visual story. It can be an interview with someone about a plant that's important to them, or a plant that they remember from any part of their life, or a plant that they have in their house right now.
What are you doing here today?
We have 3 activities, mostly designed for kids, but really for anyone who wants. Our first table is made up of plant specimens that we collected. Lauren Lafauci, who's another member of the team, we collected a few days ago. And we have pressed these flowers and make them available for people to make what are called herbarium specimens, which they place them on a sheet of paper and give us some information about the plant. Then we have a place for kids to draw pictures about plants, and then a place for people to tell us their memories about plants.
What is your goal of Herbaria Free?
That's a great question. Our goal is really to make plants visible in people's lives. We see plants every day. They surround us, but often we walk right past them and don't notice them. And unless there's something extraordinary. But our hope is to get people to realize that plants occupy all kinds of spaces in their lives at all times, and just to make those plants visible.